we've just discovered a completely new way to make money, and we'd like to notify you about it as soon as possible. Isn't it wonderful to learn that we can make money just by using our phones these days? It makes everything much easier and more comfortable for everyone. That's precisely what we're going to speak about in today's video. We're going to go over some of the best methods to earn money online just by using our phones. Simply download the apps that I'm referring to, and what we're about to present to you, you can actually make tons of money off of them. It's that simple. Simply work for a few hours and then relax for the rest of the time, and you'll be able to earn money without having to do much, since the website we'll be showing to you today will allow you to earn passively. You won't need any skills or experience, and these apps are completely free, so there's no need to be concerned. As always, we'll be walking you through the entire process step by step, and we'll also be dropping some incredible bonus tips and tricks to help you make the most money possible with this method. So, if you would not want to miss any of that, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to the end so you don't get confused about today's strategy. And make sure you don't skip any essential aspects, because if you do, chances are you won't get the results you want. And before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First things first, make sure that you have a PayPal account, because unfortunately, these apps will most likely require you to have one, since that's their method of paying out. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily create one by going on to paypal.com. And this is obviously the website, and just clicking on sign up and going about the registration process as per instruction, that's actually pretty much it. So once you've successfully completed the sign up process, you have yourself a PayPal account and you're ready to take on today's website or apps by fire. So let's just get right into it. The very first job or website, or whatever you want to call it, is called Moocash. And to get to their website and to open it up to read and know more about the app, you can type in getmoocash.com, and that should take you to this website right here. As you can see, turn swipes and taps in a cash, earn $5 per day. You can download it on both Google Play and the App Store, so it's available for both iOS and Android users, which means everyone can use this app. There's 24/7 support. There's a small team committed to providing you great support. You can chat with them anytime in Moocash. It's easy to earn coins. And you actually get these offers on your lock screen and swipes. Take the offer. It's literally as simple as that. There are many rewards you're going to redeem coins for, which is cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. And there are many ways to earn. You can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks and surveys, whichever way you want to prefer. Some facts about this app are, where can I redeem rewards? Minimum redemption is $2 or $5 depending on where you are making money from and what type of rewards you choose. What rewards can I redeem? You can cash it via PayPal or bank transfer. There's a free talk time or prepaid recharge. What other ways can I make cash? Well, you can earn more by sharing apps and games or your Moocash with friends. And how long before I get the money? You will get your rewards usually within 7 business days, and there are some more facts on here that you can read on your own if you want to, but these are some of the facts that are the ones mainly asked. Anyway, this is how the app looks like on Google Play. Why should you upgrade a move? Cash Blush, you're gonna get 150 coins instantly. There are exclusive offers to earn more money. Just get offers from your lock screen, invite friends, turn for a bonus, and view earning history. And remember, this is also on the App Store. That's pretty much it. So make sure you try this app out, and let's move on to the next one. But before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now, let's get back to the video. Next app is called Cash Magnet, and to get to their website, just type in cashmagnetapp.com, and that should take you to here. get money from your Android phone, we pay for every minute of the time when you do nothing. We have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode, so prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can already buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. They are just simply running the app, and it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. Some facts. What is a Cash Magnet? It is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. How can I redeem my points? Well, you can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, or Steam gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. How much can I earn? Well, it actually depends on many things. Namely, from what country you are in, from what version or Android you use, how many games you installed, how long Cash Magnet runs on your phone, whether your phone is rooted or not. There is no universal answer. Our best performing users are around $15 a month. But this is only possible if you meet all of the factors mentioned above. At the moment, the maximum one can earn per phone is 500 points. This is in case the user has the phone running the app 24/7. The user is from the top countries, and as the rooted phone, 500 points is $0, 5, making it $15, making it $15 a month. We strive to bring more advertisers to allow us to raise this limit. Starting from the level 3, user can install games by himself, and from level 6, this will be happening in automatic mode. For each game installed, the user gets extra magic points, and you can install as many games as you want, even 5 a day. That will actually make extra 500 points. All this means is that the higher the level you've reached, are the more bonus points you can get. Again, there are more facts on here, but there are also the main ones asked mostly, so that's why those are the ones that I chose to read out, but that's pretty much it. So make sure you download both of these apps, and the Moocash app and the Cash Magnet app, so that you can make the most money possible. And that is basically everything. But just a quick and very short recap. The first thing that you want to do is to actually create a PayPal account. And to do so, you're going to open one at paypal.com. Once you have a PayPal account, you can move on to the first app you're going to download, which is Moocash, on your phone, and let it play. That they pay you for and literally earn so much money in one day. Just imagine how you could be making this in 1 month. Next app is called Cash Magnet app. This one you don't actually have to do anything for. So all you need to do is to make sure that it's running. That's why it's very important that when you increase your earnings, you can finally buy yourself a second phone where you're gonna be able to just let the app run around the clock, and you could just be making at least $100 a month. So make sure that you try this method out and the whole thing. You're literally not gonna lose anything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.